Hello, in today's lesson we will be handling addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Express each of the following in its simplest form. Let us start with the first one. The first one is 2 over 3a plus 3 over 5a. As you can see, the two denominators, 3a and 5a, they are not in common, so I cannot do an immediate addition. I need to make these denominators common, so that means I need to find the least common multiple between them. So what is the LCM of 3a and 5a? It's 15a. So LCM is 15a. Okay, what do I need to do in order to make 3a as 15a and 5a as 15a? I need to multiply here by 5, and also I multiply by 5, because 5 divided by 5 equal 1, and here I need to multiply by 3, and here I need to multiply by 3. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, 3a multiplied by 5 is 15a, plus 3 multiplied by 3 is 9, 5a multiplied by 3 is 15a. Right now I have a common denominator, so I can easily join these two fractions in one and add the numerators. 10 plus 9, that equals to 19 divided by 15a. So the most important part here is to make sure that the denominators are equal. Okay, when we look at the second one, 2h over h minus 2k and 3k divided by 2k minus h. Looking at the denominators, I can see that they look similar, except that the signs are different. Here is h minus 2k and here is 2k minus h. So what I need to do here, I need to change the sign of this bracket to make it typical to h minus 2k and similar to it. And as we learned from previous lesson, to change the sign of this bracket, you need to extract -1 as a common factor. So it will be looking like that. 2h divided by h minus 2k minus 3k divided by, if I extract a -1 as a common factor, here I will have h minus 2k. And now remember, I have a negative sign and negative sign that could be combined as positive sign. So here I could have 2h divided by h minus 2k, and instead of the negative sign I will have a plus sign, 3k divided by h minus 2k. Now I have a common denominator, so I combine the two fractions in one with the common denominator h minus 2k, and in the top I have 2h plus 3k. So I'm having now a single fraction as a simplification of these two. Okay, when we look at the last example, 5y over y squared minus 4 minus 2 divided by y minus 2, this is y minus 2. Okay, making a closer look to y squared minus 4, and by remembering the square differencing, I can rewrite this as 5y divided by y squared minus 4, using square differencing, is y minus 2 y plus 2. Minus 2 y minus 2. Okay, now y minus 2 plus y plus 2 and y minus 2, I need to make a common or a lowest common multiple, which will be y minus 2 y plus 2. So I need to multiply this fraction by y plus 2 to make it similar to it. So I will be multiplying this fraction by y plus 2 and y plus 2. So now I have a common denominator. Therefore, I can combine both into one fraction with y minus 2 multiplied by y plus 2 as a common denominator, and in the top, in the numerator side, I will have 5 minus y minus 2. I can expand. No, let us expand later. Y plus 2. So let us expand. 5y minus 2 multiplied by y is minus 2y, and minus 2 multiplied by plus 2 is minus 4. This is divided by y minus 2, y plus 2. And obviously 5y minus 2y is 3y minus 4 divided by y minus 2, y plus 2. So I have written this fraction into its simplest form as one fraction, like that. Okay. Right now, for your homework, you will be doing your workbook and textbook tutorials 1B in full. And you need to submit that within 48 hours. Okay, see you in another lesson.